Car's looking real clean right now. It's chilling. Been in the garage, watched a couple of days ago. It's resting from the couple runs I did the other day. So it's chilling right now. I'll take it back out when you know, when the weather's nice. Actually, weather's actually kind of nice, so I might take her out here in a little bit. But anyways, main purpose of the video, I just want to congratulate Mr. Johnny Tank. I recommended his video on my channel. If you guys need any instructions to install the MercRacing kit on your 8th gen and also 9th gen, but he specifically did it on 8th gen. He broke the record for the quarter mile time for a Supercharged 8th gen. He ran a 10.8 at 130 miles an hour. Stock motor has 150 plus thousand miles on it. He did change the valve springs to a dual valve spring. And unfortunately, he had to change the transmission because Honda transmissions suck. And he had to rebuild it just like I have to rebuild mine if I want to push more power so I don't, you know, blow my transmission. But other than that, the motor's stock, daily driven, and he has the 1900 MercRacing kit, the same kit I got in my car. So that tells you a lot. I mean, like I said, I've had the kit on my car for about 10,000 miles, been super reliable. It's a kit that you could run on the street. Oh, definitely get the aftercooler. Run on the street, take it to the track, break some records, gap people, gap them on the street, whatever, and you could daily drive it. That's the beauty of it, man. It's the installation simplicity is there. Go check out his channel, how he installed it. I talked to him the other day. He said that if it wasn't for the videos, the kit could have been installed in one day or one weekend. It's that simple. So if you guys are contemplating, hey man, get the MercRacing Supercharged kit. You won't regret it. I haven't regretted it. We actually did a live stream. Johnny Tank was supposed to be there, but this was the day before his big race at the track, so he couldn't make it. And we had a couple technical difficulties. So I'll post that live stream up also. And if you guys want to check it out now, go to Reese's Cars. He has a live stream up on his channel. But just want to shout out to Johnny Tank. Hey, congratulations, dude. I know I'll be super stoked. I'm trying to get there myself. 10s, I don't know. Definitely 11s, especially on the street. I think I'll be, you know, decently happy with that. But enjoy the video, guys. See you later.
What did he run, man? What did he run? Bro, what did he run? You didn't tell me yet.
11:02.
What?
Should have taken a shit first.
So close. All right, let's cool it down. Let's do it again. No. Yes. Woo! Sorry. Thank you guys. Right. Yes! Woo! Oh. Thank you guys. Well, MercRacing has done it with Tony and Jorge Garcia. They got that record, man. 10.8.
He doesn't know yet.
He doesn't know yet. So we gotta scare him when he comes by.
You do it.
You do it? Oh, that's right, yeah. It's coming. All right. So I gotta wipe the smile off my face though. Man, so close. Huh?
Just think of an old naked grandma or something.
Yeah. Close, man. So close. Yeah, I'll let him show you the sticker, man.
You got the sticker?
Yeah. This is incredible, man. I can't believe you're so close. So close, man. Tony, man. Congrats, bro. Yeah.
Look at that.
You done it, brother.
Oh, fuck.
And you're about to quit. And you're about to stop. Huh?
I watched it and shifted one too. I was like, I want to go home.
Oh.
Fuck.
Guys, take care, man.
Hey, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank
All
you,
right.
gents.
Bless you.
Oh, man.
Wow. That's awesome.